Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by collecting 3 months of statements and your most recent pay stub because accuracy matters. Once done, list fixed expenses versus variable ones so you see patterns. Then write 1 or 2 short-term goals with dollar targets and deadlines. This aligns choices to purpose. Make sure to schedule a weekly 30-minute review block in your calendar. You'll use these items immediately to populate the budget planner book and start the tracking section now. You now populate the planner, enter income and fixed expenses, then set initial category limits. As you spend, record transactions daily and assign each to a category. This creates reliable data. Once a week, compare planned versus actual totals and calculate variances. Percent differences and recurring surprises reveal leaks. Make adjustments to category limits or payment dates to smooth cash flow and update upcoming bills. This iterative middle. You finish by setting monthly targets, savings funnels, debt payments, and an emergency buffer goal, then reconcile the month in the planner so closing balances match statements. Once reconciled, carry forward surpluses to next month or reassign deficits to a corrective plan. If totals don't match, troubleshoot, audit receipts, check timing differences for deposits, and inspect subscriptions or bank fees. Make sure to document corrections in the notes section so the same issue doesn't recur.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.